Hi, I'm the old dude. Well, negative attacked positive this week. For a couple of days earlier in this week, I was quite negative. The world's problems and my own problems were just weighing down on me. And my positive expectancy wasn't being triggered because I ignored it with my complaining. And the second day was much worse. I felt everything was wrong. I felt that everybody was crappy. And I found myself saying, toward late in the day, this crap doesn't work, as referring to my positive expectancy. Well, that statement kind of surprised me. It made me stop dead in my tracks. Positive expectancy had worked for so many years, and now it doesn't work? Well, that made no sense. But my attitude had deteriorated so bad, so fast, that I didn't even want to try to apply positive expectancy. But I knew I was going downhill fast. So because I was concerned about going downhill fast, it kind of dawned on me to try positive expectancy just as an experiment. And I'd be like an outside observer. I was so negative, I didn't know what else to do. So what did I do? What happened? Well, the first thing I did is paste on a smile. No, not an obnoxious smile. Just a smile. I just smiled. And it was a normal smile. But even that smile, that small smile, felt very strange and foreign at first. Then, like with positive expectancy, since I'd done it for so many years, it was easy for me to switch as an experiment and look at the world situations and people, those people I was around, look at them from a positive angle. Well, it didn't take a long time to get back on track, and my attitude improved. I started coming back about as fast as I had gone down a couple days ago. And really, now, the world didn't look so bad and I was doing fine. I wondered how I ever went down in the first place. So I guess in a nutshell, I let myself get careless. I ignored my foundation, my positive expectancy foundation, for just a short while, and I paid the price. Have you ever let yourself go down a bad path similar to this? Leave a comment below. Talk to you later.